How to get Roblox voice chat after being suspended. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Roblox voice chat after being suspended. To regain access to Roblox voice chat after a suspension, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, you need to log into your Roblox account. For that, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in roblox.com. Now press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Roblox. Here ensure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, now you will need to navigate to the support page, and there you will need to fill out the support form to contact Roblox in order to regain your voice chat after being suspended. For that, here in this page, you will see the settings icon at the top right. Click on the settings icon and from the menu here select help and safety. Once you select it, now you will be taken to this page. Here you will be able to see violations and appeal option. Click on this option and here you will be able to see the support option. Click on support. Now here you will need to fill out the support form. In the first one you will need to enter the username, which is optional, and in the second one here you will need to enter your full name. This one is also optional. If you want to add it, you can add it in this box. Here in the next box, you will need to enter a valid email address that is associated to your Roblox account. After entering the email address, you will need to enter the email address again in the next box in order to confirm. And once you have entered it, here at the bottom you need to scroll a bit down and there you will need to fill out the issue details. Click on this please select button and here you will need to select your device. Click on the device you are using right now and in this help category here click on it and select moderation. Once you click on moderation, again here you will need to click on it. You can select one of these options from this drop down and then here you will need to clearly describe your issue. After checking your community guidelines, I see I have not violated any standards. Also write please review my voice chat suspension. Once you enter this text, now you can click on this continue button below. After that, you will see this pop-up window. Here you will need to solve this puzzle in order to prove that you are a real person. Click on this start puzzle and now you will need to solve this puzzle. Once the verification has been completed, you will successfully submit the form. Now you will need to wait for the response from Roblox, which is normally 48 hours, and then you will be able to get your voice chat. So by following the steps, you should be able to get Roblox voice chat after being suspended. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.